In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Charles Schwab app. Let's get started by opening the Schwab mobile app. If you don't have it yet, head to your device's app store and search for Schwab Mobile. Before you download, double-check that the listed developer is the Charles Schwab Corporation. That confirmation helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you're installing the official one. Once it's installed, make sure your internet connection is stable, then open the app. If your device asks for permission to send notifications, that can be useful for security alerts and login approvals, though you can adjust those settings later if you prefer. On the login screen, you'll see fields for your login ID or username and your password. Enter the same credentials you use on the Schwab website. Take a second to confirm everything is typed correctly. Watch for things like accidental spaces, caps lock, or autocorrect changing characters. For security, it's best not to paste passwords from notes or screenshots. When you're confident the information is correct, tap Login. If you run into trouble, look for the on-screen options to recover your username or reset your password, but only use the links provided inside the official app. After you tap Login, you may be asked to complete a quick security verification. Depending on your settings, this could be a text message code, an email code, a push notification you approve on a trusted device, or another form of two-step verification. Keep your phone or email inbox handy and enter the code exactly as it appears. These codes usually expire quickly, so act promptly and never share them with anyone. If you receive a push notification, open it and approve the sign-in from that trusted prompt. This extra step helps protect your account and is a normal part of Schwab's security. Once you're in, the app may offer to let you enable biometric login, like Face ID or fingerprint, on supported devices. This is optional but convenient and secure, especially if you prefer not to type your password every time. Only turn it on if you're the sole user of the device and you have a strong device passcode. That's it. You've opened the Schwab mobile app, signed in with your website credentials, and completed the security check. With that done, you're ready to access your accounts quickly and securely. If you ever switch devices or update your phone, just repeat these same steps to log back in safely.